everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Nicole, and if you've been here before, then thanks for coming back. Today's video is going to be something a little different. I haven't really done anything like this before, but since Valentine's Day is coming up, I thought that I would do some Valentine's looks for you guys, but instead of just doing like one that's wearable or one that's like fun, I thought that I would do one that you can actually wear out for a date, and then another one that's just more fun for Valentine's Day on the other half of my face. So we're going to be doing two different looks on each side of my face today. So if that interests you and you need some ideas for Valentine's Day makeup, then please keep watching, and if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoy this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and I guess we will just jump right in. Okay, so as you can see, I already have like my base done, and I've got bronzer and blush on as well. So now I guess I'm just gonna jump in with one side of my face, and I guess we will do the fun side first, because why not? For this look, I'm thinking I'm probably going to use my James Charles palette. I might pull from some other palettes as well, but I'm thinking I should be able to find everything I need in this one because it's got all these colors, so hopefully I can find what I need. For the fun side of my face, I think I'm just gonna go in and see what happens, because I'm not really exactly sure what I want to do, so I think I'm just gonna kind of have some fun. Alright, so first I think I'm gonna dip in with this light pink shade from the James Charles palette called Pinkity Drinkity, and I'm just gonna take that on an M441, and I'm gonna start blending that into the crease on this side. Also, I just realized that this brush is kind of dirty, so hopefully that doesn't matter. I don't know how I didn't realize that whenever I grabbed it. Oops. I kind of smoke it out on the edges towards the end of my eyebrow. Okay, now I'm going to take an M433, and I'm going to go in with this bright pink shade from the James Charles palette called Skip. I'm just gonna start blending that on my eye. Not really sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, so we're just gonna wing it. And I'm gonna go back in with Pinkity Drinkity and just make sure that the edges are really nice and blended. I'm also going to break out my Morphe 39A, and I think I'm going to go in with this bright red shade just because I've used it before and I know that it's a little pinker than the James one, and that's the look that I'm kind of going for right now. I'm just going to go in with that on a small M506 brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend that in towards my lash line and create kind of an ombre effect with the red and the pink. And then I'm really just going to start blending just to make sure that there aren't any harsh lines and everything just goes together real nice and seamlessly. Okay, now that I have the eyeshadow the way I want it for right now, I'm going to take this white eyeliner by NYX, and I'm going to do a wing on my eye, and I might cut the crease with it. I don't know, we'll just kind of see how it goes. Okay, while that liner's drying so that I can do what I need to do with it, I'm going to start blending that pink under my eye, just because I want it to go all the way around. And I want it really smoky too, so it's okay if it kind of comes pretty far below my eye. And then I'm just gonna smoke it out some more with that Pinkity Drinkity shade. The only thing that I don't like about this pink shade, it's a beautiful color, but I feel like it gets everywhere. And once it gets somewhere, like, there's just a pink cast. Like, you can't get it off, and it's so frustrating. Now that the liner is dry, I'm going to take another small M506 brush and go back into that skip color and just kind of tap off the excess. And I'm going to start tapping that over where we put the white eyeliner. And it should create kind of a neon looking effect. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm really disappointed because the NYX white eyeliner ended up not working as good as I thought it was going to. It turned out really dry and flaky, so it's like crackling on my eye and it's flaking off, and it started doing that before I even put the shadow on top of that. So that's kind of frustrating. So this look's not going to turn out as good as I wanted it to because this eyeliner is just not doing what I need it to. But I'm already this far into the look, so I'm just going to keep going with what I had planned to do. So I popped a heart on my inner corner as like the inner corner highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and like put on blush and highlight this side of my face before I start drawing on the other hearts that I want on my cheek. And I'm going to give this side of my face a quick spritz so that I can highlight. That bottle is running out because I feel like I've just doused my face. And I'm going to use a Morphe M510, and I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty How Many Carats highlight just because I think it'll look really pretty with this. And then I'm just going to take this M506 brush and I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bone as well. I just think that this makes the look so pretty just because this highlighter is so glittery. I think it looks really good with like, I don't know, the pink and the whole like neon thing. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and draw some more hearts. Not really sure where I'm going to put them. Just going to kind of wing it and see what happens. Okay, now I'm just going to go over those hearts with Skip and make those look neon as well. Okay, so this is the fun side. It's just some neon hearts. It didn't really turn out like I wanted it to because the eyeliner wasn't working correctly, but I do think it's really fun, and I mean, I do like how it turned out. I think it's pretty cool. I still need to put on lips and lashes, obviously, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and do like a date night look before I do the lashes, just because it's gonna drive me crazy if I have a lash on one side for that long. I guess I will go ahead and jump into the other eye now. Okay, so for the date night side, I'm gonna kind of keep the color similar. I'm just gonna do something a little less out there and more wearable. So I'm gonna go in with Pinkity Drinkity and my crease again, just to start. The reason that I'm using the same colors is because I know personally on like Valentine's Day I like to use like pinks and reds and kind of spice it up a little bit from what I would normally wear on like a date night. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And this look that I'm doing is probably going to be what I wear whenever I go out. So hopefully you guys like it. So I'm going to go in with the 39A again and take that same red shade. I don't know if I told y'all what the name of that was. That is Snatched, I believe. I think I'm looking at that right. And I'm just going to start to blend that into my crease. I'm not going to take it too heavily though. I'm going to tap off a lot of that. I want this side to be a little more on the reddish side and not so pink, just because I feel like reddish pink is a lot more just like wearable than like neon pink. Oh, and I'm taking this on an M456. This red is already such a pink color. Okay, now I am going to start to kind of diffuse this a little bit with the orange shade from the James Charles palette called 518. Just the orange shade on the top row. Just because I want this one to be less pink. So I'm going to try to warm it up a bit. I am going to go in with the Skip shade on that same M433 that I was using on the other side. And just kind of blend that in there. I'm going to blend that out with 518 again. I feel that adding this orange in there really brings out the red. Now I'm going to cut the crease using an M124 and my Shape Tape concealer. I think I'm just going to do like a half cut crease though. I'm not going to like do it all the way. And then with a clean M124, I'm going to take this little Urban Decay single in the shade Midnight Cowgirl, and I'm going to tap that on top of where we just cut the crease. And then just to add in just a little more sparkle, I'm going to take a little bit of this How Many Carats highlighter and put that on there as well, just to really bring out the glitter. And I'm going to add some more of that Skip shade in the crease, just because I feel like I lost a bit of the pink whenever I cut it. And then I'm going to blend that out with Skip, which is that light pink shade. And I'm going to blend all those colors underneath the lower lash line, just to really bring it together. Okay, now I'm going to spray this little M506 brush with my Morphe setting spray, and I'm going to go in with this Too Faced Diamond Light highlighter in the shade Canary Diamond. And I'm going to use that to highlight my inner corner because it's a really pretty highlight shade that's got like some pink flakes in it. So I think it'll look really good right here. Oh, that is so pretty. That really makes it pop. And then I'm also going to use that on my brow bone just to tie those together. Now I'm just going to pop on a little more blush. And then I'm going to set my face with this Morphe setting spray so that I can highlight. And that just ran out and squirted all over my face. Love that. Good thing I have another one right here. And I'm also going to use the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats on this side as well, just because I think it'll look really pretty with the pink eye. I love this highlighter. It's so pretty. Okay, now off camera, I'm just going to pop on some lashes real quick and do my lips, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I popped on some lashes. These are the Ardell Demi Wispies, and I also popped on a lip gloss. This is one of the new Too Faced Rich and Dazzling lip glosses. This one is in the shade Sunset Crush. It's just super like glowy and has like a duochrome finish, and I just thought that it went really good with both sides of the look because, I don't know, I feel like Valentine's Day is like romantic and it just makes me think like really glowy and just like, I don't know, I just really liked the whole like glossy glowy thing that I had going. You could definitely pair this with like a matte lip though, because I almost did just like a nude lip or like a dusty rose like liquid lip, but I just thought that this looked really good with it. So yeah guys, this is both of the finished looks. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun doing this, even though this side didn't really turn out exactly how I wanted it to. it was still a lot of fun to do, and it's been a minute since I did just like a fun look in front of the camera. I love just the like wearable look too. So I had a lot of fun filming this video. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I did. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope everyone has an awesome Valentine's Day. I really hope that I get this video up in time for Valentine's Day, or else this is like completely pointless. But yeah, I hope you guys have fun, whatever you're doing. If you have a date, I hope you have fun. If you're staying home, that's fun too. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.